Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today's video sponsor is going to be Virgin Hair Company on Instagram, and on Amazon their store is called TT Hair. We're going to be getting into this 6-inch short little mushroom cut look that they sell for $22 on Amazon. If you have Prime, that's free 2-day shipping for you. I have a clip showing how it comes constructed and just how the box came. So I'm going to let that play right now. Six inches is new to me. This is something I've never tried before. I did have my natural hair cut short, similar to this, but it was like to my earlobe, and that was about, yeah, maybe like 5-6 years ago. I had it cut short like that. So being this short, 6 inches, is very new to me. I'm still getting a feel for this unit. I'm not quite sure if it aged me or not, but this review isn't about how it looks on me. It's just, you know, a review for you to see how this unit just looks standing alone. You know, this is a very, very affordable unit. $20 is not breaking anybody's pocket at all. So if you need a quick look, it's summertime, it is super hot. I'm not gonna lie to you, even though this short length is not necessarily my cup of tea, it feels very good and very free on my head, because it's so high and there's literally nothing hanging on my neck. So I am kind of enjoying that. Yeah, I'm just not sure if this is a little too mature for me or not. Yeah, but this is definitely a cute little mushroom cut. That's what I will call this, kind of a mushroom cut. You kind of have these long pieces on the side here, like the sideburn kind of cut, and these pieces are longer than the 6-inch cut that this whole unit has. So that's why it's kind of reminding me of that mushroom cut look, and that mushroom cut look is so freaking cute to me. I just don't know if I can pull it off, that's all. But I'm liking this. This is human hair, Brazilian hair, so you definitely can't go wrong for $20 and you're getting a human hair unit. Oh, this will be perfect for the swimming pool. Like if you're the type that don't want to get your chin on up wet, you know, like this is so cute for the pool, for the beach, vacation. This is an all-around just cute unit. It's definitely a look and a vibe for less than $25. I'm going to give you some profile looks of how this unit looks. Yeah, and then I already showed you the top already. So I did attempt to do this video with a straight out of the box type of a look, but it didn't come ready to wear straight out of the box. I do have a clip showing just how I, you know, did kind of straighten it out and achieve a little bump to it. In the back, when I turned around, you can kind of see the layers in it, and that's because I bumped it up a little. So I'm just gonna let that small little clip play right here. yeah, so that's all I did to, you know, kind of give it a little look. Yeah, so like I said, this style of hair and this length is very new to me, so I didn't quite know what to do with it. So I did the best that I could with what I had, and yeah, you know, so yeah, this is gonna wrap this video up. Be sure to check them out. I'm gonna leave all their information in the description box below. Be sure to follow them on Amazon so that you can check out their other affordable looks. And no, follow them on Instagram, not Amazon. Follow them on Instagram so you can check out their other affordable looks. Then I'm going to leave the link to this particular unit in the description box as well. You know, for $20 you definitely can test this out and just see if it's something you can work with. But I definitely don't feel like you can't go wrong with it. Especially like with a full beat face, I feel like this would really look cute, probably with some hoops or something. Yeah, I was gonna do a full face of makeup, but child, I just couldn't. I just couldn't do it. So I just got on some lip gloss, my lashes, and a little bit of eyeshadow. And I just called it a day. But I definitely can see this look being set off with like a nice, cute, soft beat. Oh, this would be so cute. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.